guys! Welcome to Unlimited Delight. Today ay magluluto tayo ng Lumpiang Shanghai, isang Filipino classic na laging present sa handaan lalo na ngayong Christmas. Here are the ingredients. Carrot, singkamas, ground pork, garlic and onion, kinchay, lumpia wrapper, and 1 egg. And here are the complete list of ingredients. In a large bowl, combine natin yung lahat ng ingredients. Yung ground pork, garlic and onion minced, carrot, at saka yung singkamas. Lahat ng to grated natin para mas madali siyang mahalo. At i-add natin yung isang itlog. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng salt. Depende sa panlasa nyo kung gaano karaming salt ilalagay nyo. Tapos yung kinchay. And then add the pepper. And mix all together. At ayan, ready na ang ating lumpia mixture. Mag-scoop lang tayo ng 1 tablespoon of our lumpia mixture. At i-spread natin and i-roll it over lumpia wrapper. Fold natin both sides. At i-secure yung edges with water. At i-roll ulit. Ayan, ganyan lang kasimple magbalot ng lumpia. Ulitin lang natin yung procedure hanggang sa maubos natin yung lumpia mixture. Sobrang simple lang at kayang-kaya niyong gawin. In a medium heat fire, put generous amount of cooking oil in a pan. Then, i-fry natin yung lumpia, both sides, until golden brown. Do not overcrowd yung pan kasi makaka-apekto sa pagkakaprito ng lumpia. So, dapat hindi siya marami yung ilalagay. At eto na ang ating Lumpiang Shanghai! Crispy and delicious! If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more video uploads. Thank you!